All right, y'all. So Bitcoin has just dumped 20% in the last 24 hours, and we are coming down to a very, very important level. This level right here on our chart between 22.7 and 23.9 is so important. If we lose this level, we have some very shocking targets down below. And if we hold this level, well, it could potentially be a nice retracement to the upside. Now, obviously, we're in the middle of a bear market, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we're going to be going over the juiciest levels here, as well as what I think is going to happen if we either hold this support or lose this support. I also want to go over the current trades that I am in and how I am looking to trade these markets. Now, first of all, we have lost the very crucial support of $28.6 thousand. $28.6 thousand. This is key support lost. And the reason why this is key support lost is because this is the macro golden pocket retracement from the Corona dump to the all-time high. Okay, now we have officially lost that. And because we've lost this key horizontal support that's been literally our resistance from 2020 flipped to support in 2021, held all through last year, we could be looking at a potentially really, really steep drop back down to much lower prices if we cannot hold the current support. The reason this green box is such strong support is because after we broke 20K back in 2020 in December, we formed this bull flag right here. This bull flag is giving us volume in the market, and this high volume node is pretty much the last stop before we come down to much lower levels. Now, this green box right here has been a level that we have been waiting for a very long time in the VIP Discord. In fact, we have given multiple ideas to take longs from this key level, right? This key level down here. And we are currently finding support at this level, okay? This is a crucial area of support. And not only that, but this has been a level on the charts in the VIP Discord for a very, very long time. I don't post it every day because it's one of those macro levels. But we can see here that whenever I do post the macro charts and the juiciest levels that I am looking for, that this, well, I guess it's been a while since I posted it, but we have been keeping it on our radar, that this box down here, that 22.8 to 23.7 area, is a major support before coming lower. And so I have been taking long trades from down here. I have taken multiple long scalps from different key levels that we have in here. And we've even been able to catch some really nice trades in the VIP Discord recently. For example, on Friday, we were able to catch, well, on Friday we gave the setup to take a long from down here at around 27.2. And we did get that move to the upside with bullish divergences, made for a very nice profit. Shout out to everybody who took that trade in the VIP Discord. Also, we were looking at key levels on the way down that have made for some really great scalps today. And so here's the thing, guys. If we are able to hold this level, I do think we could get a retracement to the upside. But if not, then I do think the idea that I've been looking at for quite some time is possible to play out. Now, this is the BLX chart, Bitcoin from inception. We have been talking since literally back in December and even November about the fact that we were forming this rising wedge pattern. And when we lost 57K, that's really when I started to say we have the potential here to come down very, very low because of the bearish divergences that we had on the monthly time frame. Okay, bearish divergences on the monthly time frame. And our technical target for this wedge is between 17 to 20K, between 17 to 20K, which, as we can see from this chart, would be basically coming down just below the previous bull market high. That would be a technical target for this wedge. Now, we have to understand, if we have a capitulation event where we just have a massive sell-off and everybody just sells everything, we could come down much, much lower and get a wick down to some of these lower levels. Now, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. However, I have been DCA on spot this entire way down, and I have limit order set literally down to below the dump of 2020 because I still am bullish on the asset overall. Okay, but we need to be aware that losing our current support could really bring us down quite a bit lower. So, I want to talk about how to approach trading these markets. By the way, if you do want to get into the VIP Discord where we post the trade setups and the juicy levels as well as multiple live streams. In fact, this morning in the VIP live stream, we literally gave 2 levels that made for some really juicy scalps today. One of them I did take actually live on the Mango Research channel this morning. I did an interview with them, took the scalp live, and shout out to Mango Research for having me on, by the way. Make sure to subscribe to them if you have not, guys. But we were able to take a long trade right off this little naked point of control. We wicked down right to it, took the long live on the stream. It was a really nice stream, by the way. We could see I took the trade literally live on their stream. But, yeah, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to get into the community where we post TA, multiple live streams. Also, if you want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 25% discount on the course. And this course will give you the knowledge and skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader in a bear market, in a bull market, right? Currently, right now, guys, I am in these 2 trade positions right now because I've been able to have plans in advance to know where to look for these levels. Both of these trades, as you can see, I have realized profit, made sure that they are guaranteed winning trades, moved the stop loss to the entry because I had a plan in advance. Even during this dump, I am able to long and short and make money in these markets. It's very possible, guys. It's very possible to do that. So check out the course if interested. So, what is my approach to trading these markets? Okay, basically, we need to have a plan. We always need to have a plan. We cannot enter into any position unless we know why we're entering into that position, what level we're looking to long, what confirmations we have to long, etc., etc., etc. Now, right now, why am I in a long position in the middle of a dump? Well, first of all, we came down to a macro box of support, that I have literally been waiting for months, right? For literally months, right? We've been waiting for this level for a very, very long time to take longs from there. And when we came down into this box, right, I saw a really good opportunity, which was this. We came down, found support at our support, and then after putting in our bottom, we got a really nice bounce off the local Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, which allowed me to get into a nice long trade as we were getting a bullish trigger wave on the 1-minute time frame with money flow coming to the upside. See, I didn't wait to catch the falling knife at the bottom. What I did was I saw we came down to the bottom with bullish divergence on the 1-minute time frame, bullish divergence literally on the 12-minute time frame as well, bullish divergence even on the 1-hour time frame as we came down here, okay? I'm looking for my levels, I'm looking for my confirmations, and then I don't take the long trade until I get confirmation of trend by getting a retracement right to the golden pocket with a trigger wave on the 1-minute time frame. Again, this is all stuff we go over in the course, but that's how I was able to get into this long trade right here. And as you can see, it's up pretty nice in profit right now, right? It's up pretty nice in profit, about $1,500 in profit right now. And I just got stopped out of my short trade at the entry, but again, that was a short trade where I had locked in the profit, moved the stop loss to entry, so it was still a winning trade, okay? That's how we are able to get into these markets here. But the most important thing is, if you don't have a plan, wait it out until you have more data, okay? And here, let me kind of, actually, hang on, let me, okay, hang on, I need to take some profits out of this. Boom. Okay, now let's talk about why we need to wait for some more data. So we come over to the 1-hour time frame, okay? And every single time Bitcoin gets a big move to the downside, right? What happens inevitably after every single big move? Look at this. We had a massive dump. Then what happens? We start to range sideways for a while. We can even go back in time to up here, right, where we have a massive move to the downside, and then we start to range for a while. Let's go all the way back to where that happened. It's been a while. We've been in some pretty long, crazy ranges. But this one right up here, guys, another example of after a major dump, then we start to range for a while. Now, if you don't know what to do, if you don't have levels down here where you can look for trades, it's best if you stay out of the market and then wait for more data to come in. Here's a great example. Now, when we got this wick to the downside, I vividly remember saying, I'm going to wait this out until we start to range, and then I'll look for a trade. And what do you know? As soon as we start to range, the very first thing we can do is pull our fib from the swing low to the swing high, and we get our first long entry from this golden pocket right here after just waiting 3 days for some more data. And not only was it a golden pocket, but it was also a, I thought I remembered this being a high volume node. Perhaps it was a high volume node from this little chunk of consolidation down here. Yep, it was a high volume node from this chunk of consolidation, as well as the golden pocket, and we were able to get into a long from here because we even had bullish divergences on lower time frames. And then, after getting the long from here, we were able to grab the short from fib, from that swing high to this swing low, right from up here after getting bearish divergences on market Cipher B, right? And then, after that, we are able to pull the fib from this swing low right here to this swing high right here. And, well, it got front run a little bit, but we were still able to get into a long trade from over here because we had a few more confluences. And you can basically just see that after you have more data, it's much, much easier to get into a trade. So if you're feeling the FOMO and you're not in a trade right now and you're not in a short and you're not in a long, the best piece of non-financial advice I can give is just do nothing. Just do nothing and wait. Wait it out, and eventually we are going to start forming a range, and you will be able to identify areas of support and resistance, and then you will be able to enter into some successful trades. Okay? Now again, right now we are at key support. I am holding this trade right now. I am holding this trade because I do believe that this is a support that very well could hold right here, right? And if it doesn't hold, well, then we look down to lower levels. But this is the long and the short of the TA, guys. I hope everyone found this video very informative. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, we do have a 25% discount on this course right here. We also do have the VIP Discord at patreon.com/Jason Casper. God bless everyone. In the name of Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah, I pray everyone is super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace.